everyone, welcome back to Hurricane Web. In this video, we are going to learn how to integrate tsParticles in a Next.js project. tsParticles is a powerful and highly customizable JavaScript library for creating interactive particle animations in web applications. It is written in TypeScript but can be used with plain JavaScript, TypeScript, React or any other frameworks. Let's create a Next.js boilerplate project and we will integrate tsParticles in it. So we need to search Nextjs and then click on the link, and then here we will copy npx create next app at latest, and then we will paste it here and hit enter. We will create our project name as tsParticles tutorial. So here we will just click dot and hit enter, and then for our project we will use TypeScript, ESLint yes, tailwind CSS yes, and then source directory not need, and frouter yes, turboflag yes, and import alias not need. So here we can see our Next.js boilerplate project already installed. So let's run the project. Just click on the local link by control and click. So here we can see our Next.js default design. Let's clear it. So from global.css we'll delete all the CSS except import tailwind CSS, save it, and then from our page.tsx control all and delete, and then here type rfc and hit enter, save it. So here we can see our page text in our Next.js project. For integrate tsParticles, we will need two packages to install in our Next.js project. The first one is React tsParticles, and we'll install this version which is downloaded 25,797 times, and the second one is tsParticles. This one. So both of the package will install this and this version. I will add the document link in the description, so just copy it from there and then paste it in the terminal. Here I will kill the terminal first and then paste the command and hit enter. So here we can see our packages are already installed. So if we go to our package.json, so here we can see our React tsParticles and tsParticles already installed. Now let's create a components folder. Let's create a file here, name as particle background. .tsx. Here type rfc and hit enter and save it. So here we will import particle from React Particles, and then import loadful from tsParticles, and then we'll import engine from tsParticles engine, and then here we'll type async function loading particle main engine, and then await loadful main. Now let's go to tsParticles website and then click on this link and here there are so many particles we can get. If we click on confetti, we can see like this. If we click on hexagons, it's like this, and then light, it's like this, and side confetti. So let's take this colors one and then click on export. So it's already downloaded. Let's go to the download and then open it in VS Code. So here you can see this is our color particles. Now we need to type particle and then ID tsParticles and init loading particle, and then options, and here we'll paste this. So Ctrl Alt, Ctrl C, and then insert it, Ctrl V, and then let's format the document. So here we get an error with limit, so let's remove this and save it, and then we'll call it inside our page.tsx particle background. Let's save it. Now we will run our project. So let's run npm run dev and hit enter. Let's click on the link. So here we see we get an error because in our particles background we need to use client for make it client side code, not server side. So save it and let's see how it's look. So here we can see our tsParticles works in our project's background. So right now if we want to integrate different particles, then we can click on the particles and then click on export, and then go to download and open it in the VS Code and copy it, and then in our particles background if we delete our before options and then paste it here, and then format the document. We need to delete the limit, or if you want to use limit we need to use it like this, and then save it. Let's see. So here we can see our confetti background in our project. So that's all for today. In the next video we will learn how to integrate tsParticles inside a div. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you guys have any query, you guys can comment it in the comment box. Thank you everyone.